For our comparison, our grinding disc weighs in at 214 grams. Our workpiece initially tips the scales at 2,564 grams. We compare stock removal and the wear on our high-performance grinding disc RS580 SPEED, both on a 900-watt angle grinder and a high-powered 1,700-watt machine. To do this, we grind structural steel S235JR for 6 minutes each time, and then we compare the weight differences in the discs and in the workpiece. After 6 minutes with the 900-watt angle grinder, the grinding disc has lost 5 grams of mass and removed 111 grams of steel. To ensure we don't falsify the results, we start the second test with a new RS580 SPEED. This disc also has a starting weight of 214 grams, and this time we are using the disc on a high-powered 1,700-watt angle grinder. The ceramic grain grinding disc can now exploit its capabilities to the full. The ceramic grain rapidly forms new and sharp cutting edges. This also breaks out of the hard bond more easily, making way for fresh grain. After 6 minutes, the disc still weighs 208 grams and has removed 153 grams of steel with just 2% more of its weight. That's a whole 38% more. This is why we always recommend using high-performance grinding discs on high-powered machines to achieve the best results. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.